If you are a cryptocurrency holder, you need to see what I have for you in this video. So today, cryptos had taken a beating. They've taken a pretty decent beating, which is something that I warned you all in the Patreon would happen if we broke a few levels, and I even spoke about it in my previous videos. So cryptos are in now a downtrend. Cryptos are in somewhat of a downtrend, at least in the smaller time frames. And we're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies, them continuing crashing, what's going on. There is some bullish news that we could actually have some results around the 6th of July. We're going to be talking about that. We're also going to be talking about a very powerful, accurate signal, which always calls out the crypto bottoms. And we're also going to be talking about the Ethereum merge and what this means for not only Ethereum holders, but for cryptocurrency holders worldwide. So we have a lot in store for you in this video, so make sure you guys watch this video until the end. But if you love cryptocurrency content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below, are you bullish on cryptocurrencies despite all of the crazy crashes and stuff that is happening? Do you think cryptocurrencies are going to recover this year? Let me know if you agree with that, or if you think that that is possible or not possible in the comments below. So first and foremost, let's just dive straight into the charts. And even going to CoinMarketCap, we can see the last 24 hours, most cryptocurrencies are down. Bitcoin is down 3%, Ethereum down 5%, XRP 5%, Cardano 4%, Solana 9%, Dogecoin 9%, Shiba Inu about 10%. So most cryptocurrencies are just about the same the last 24 hours, and we must consider that this past weekend, last week, crypto saw a lot of green. So they are seeing a little bit of a pullback because of all the green that they had experienced, which is normal, which is healthy. But based on the charts, there is some very important things that we need to consider. And the first and foremost things that we will be taking a look at is Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually right now, you know, the last week, Bitcoin was forming an inverse head and shoulders, and we were seeing a bullish pattern play out. And that was playing out based on a resistance level that was broken and the formation of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which ended up playing out. There was significant profits to be made if you followed some of my buy alerts in the Patreon and even watch my video. So this resistance level is still holding up, and it's actually supporting the price of Bitcoin right now. So if Bitcoin were to break about $20,000, we could see a pretty big move to the downside. So Bitcoin did break 20,500 today, which was a significant support level for cryptocurrencies. It broke below it, and now we have seen a pretty big move under it. Now the next move, which is likely if Bitcoin does not hold up, Bitcoin will go down to about 19,800. 19,800 is going to be a little bit different on each exchange. But if Bitcoin comes down to this level, there is a likeliness that it will bounce. That means cryptos will bounce at the same time. If Bitcoin breaks below about 19,700, 19,800, somewhere in that range, Bitcoin, even up to like 19,650, somewhere in that range. If Bitcoin breaks below it, there is a likely move that Bitcoin could come all the way down to 17,500, 17,700, the bottom of which we saw a couple of weekends ago for the whole crypto market. So these are some key levels that you want to be paying attention to. And ever since Bitcoin this weekend kind of topped out and broke a major resistance level, we have been, at least on the 4-hour time frame, the 1-hour time frame, in a very clear downtrend. So you can see that there is lower highs and lower lows. So we're in a very clear downtrend at the moment, and there is no sign of this stopping, at least for today. Now, I do think cryptocurrencies are in a small downtrend because of the Fed. They're going to be speaking tomorrow with the ECB, which is the European Central Banking System. And that is when the European banks are going to be talking about raising interest rates for Europeans on houses. So that's not going to be a bullish event at all. That will kill their stock market, and that's going to affect the crypto market. So traders are kind of maybe pulling out and waiting to see what's going to be happening tomorrow. And we will have to see. There's going to be a lot of volatility as we are experiencing now, which I've been telling you about all week. And the volatility is most likely going to continue tomorrow and maybe the next couple of days, because if there are some bearish things that have been said or that are going to be said, the markets are going to have to digest this information, and the markets can take days to digest the information, causing even further volatility. So those are some things we want to be aware of. Now, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, they're the largest holder of Bitcoin in the world. They're waiting from the SEC a Bitcoin spot proposal, which could be before July 6th a approval. So if the SEC approves Grayscale on the first Bitcoin ETF, a spot ETF in the US, this could actually be a huge bullish catalyst for cryptocurrencies, and we would most likely see a very big pump in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies across the board. So very exciting. This could be taking place and likely taking place before or around July 6th. So that's early next week. And moving on, Will Clemente has put this out that we are in the bottoming zone according to this ratio that has caught all of the past swing bottoms since 2018. Never has the ratio between the amount of USDT in the system and Bitcoin market cap been this high. Fear is high, greed is low. So generally when fear is very high, that is the signal that at the bottom of the market is taking place. And that's usually the best time to buy a crypto asset or an asset period, when there's just blood in the streets, right? So this trend line right here, this chart here, has indicated and has shown to us every single time the price of cryptocurrencies, in example Bitcoin, has touched this line, we've actually gone under it for the first time, or above it, as you see in this inverse chart. Every time Bitcoin touches this line, it's very indicative, accurately, almost to the T, that is the bottom of the market. So we have actually bounced from that line and are moving upwards. So this could be an indication that we may have bottomed out at $17,000 for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market, which is surely a possibility. Let me know in the comments below if you think the crypto market has bottomed out. Now, here we have it. Ethereum is supposed to be doing a massive merge event. And why is this very important if you hold Ethereum? I hold Ethereum. But why is this important if you hold cryptocurrencies? So just like the Bitcoin halving event, if you do not know, the Bitcoin halving event is every 4 years. It's programmed into Bitcoin's code. Bitcoin rewards miners for, of course, connecting the computers and the miners to mine and to verify the transactions of Bitcoin. So they're rewarded in Bitcoin. So every 4 years, those mining rewards are cut in half. And that actually causes, and what has been causing the crazy bullish reactions in the crypto market, it actually causes the bull markets every 4 years, and causes these bull cycles, the bear cycles. Now, what's happening to Ethereum is actually, with this merge, they're cutting out all mining, period. And the only way to really mine it is to actually just stake your Ethereum. So no computers will be needed or any type of physical device to mine Ethereum. And what we actually see is there's about $20 to $30 million in Ethereum sold each and every day from the miners. And miners, they have to sell, the crypto that they are mining to make money. So they're selling $20 to $30 million every single day in Ethereum. So that's a lot of downward selling pressure for Ethereum. Now, these miners are going to be completely cut out. So there's no longer going to be any selling pressure from the miners. This is absolutely huge. And they are calling this a triple halving event. So just like Bitcoin halving event, the halving event is what causes these bull cycles. This is going to be a triple halving event. And there's a bunch of reasons why, not only cutting out the miners, cutting out all the selling pressure, but they are saying that this is going to be the triple halving event because it's going to be triple the effect of a halving event of Bitcoin on not only Ethereum, but the crypto market. So Ethereum, the merge is supposed to be taking place in August. We could see a massive skyrocket in the price of Ethereum despite the global economic crisis, despite interest rates, despite all the FUD that's happening around the world, because of how it's programmed and how it's designed and how Ethereum is burning so much Ethereum based on the amount of people that are using the network for NFTs and so forth. So this is a huge event that could potentially skyrocket not only Ethereum, but the entire crypto market. The entire crypto market could be the bull market could be dependent upon Ethereum's merge, just like Bitcoin, the halving event, pushing the whole crypto market. This event here is probably going to cause a massive spike in the entire crypto market, in my opinion. And some are under the opinion that eventually Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin. Let me know if you agree with that or think about that in the comments below. So as of right now, the crypto market has taken a pretty big dip today. We will continue to monitor, especially in the Patreon, of what we should be doing, what type of plays we should be making. I will be doing constant buy alerts. I will be doing buy alerts. I will be giving you guys stop losses. I will be giving you guys updated charts to know what critical areas that you should be selling or buying at. So if you guys want to get access to these trade alerts and be making money even while the market is going down or trading sideways, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. especially tier 3 where you can copy all of my exact trades and speak to me on the phone. And don't forget to claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It's a great crypto trading platform where if you use my link below, you can claim up to $4,000 in deposit bonus, and you can even, by just depositing at least $10, qualify to win a spot at the F1 Formula race in Silverstone, which is only for my followers, only, no other YouTuber in there. So you can get a full free expense trip paid by having an opportunity. By just depositing $10, you can enter into win, and you enter into win automatically. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Check out the socials in my video description, all the other links in my video description. I will see you all later. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, share this video with a friend or family member, and you guys have a great night.